Let's talk about the book Using Python for Introductory Econometrics. First, you can access for free this book. Just go to Google and type the title of the book, Using Python for Introductory Econometrics. Let's open the book here and see the table of content. See? In the introduction, they teach you how to get started with Python. They teach you the most used libraries, NumPy and Pandas. Then you learn how to plot the graphics, do some descriptive statistics, and you learn about probability distribution. Let's see this book here, the pages. See that is all about coding. The whole book is about coding, application. I recommend you to use this book as a reference. It assumes that you already know probability and statistics and econometrics. The book just gives you the code. For example, if you want to learn what's the logic of the box plot, or how to interpret a box plot, you might want to learn from a traditional textbook like this Introductory Statistics with randomization and simulation. But if you want to learn how to create a box plot in Python, this is a book that you can use as a reference or as an encyclopedia. By the way, you can download the code of this book here in downloads. The chapters of this textbook here, it was written to match the book Introductory Econometrics of Udrich. Ideally, you should learn the theory from this book here and see the application in this book here. In the end of the day, it does matter from what book do you learn the theory, the intuition, the logic behind each estimators. Probably anyway, you need to study different textbooks to master a specific estimator. Assuming that you already know what is a Poisson regression, a Tobit model, or a sample selection correction, you can use this book to see the Python implementation.